In a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, how prepared is your organization to defend itself? We're Green Dragon Cyberwatch, your cybersecurity training partner. Cyber attacks can be devastating, and your in-house IT team is likely stretched too thin, managing daily tasks and just keeping your business up and running. That's why we focus solely on cybersecurity training, giving your team the tools they need to protect your organization. Let's start with our incident response training. Incident response is a key area where 95% of organizations lack capabilities. Your team will learn to identify, contain, and resolve security incidents swiftly and efficiently. Next, our Blue Team training focuses on defense. Equip your staff with the skills to actively hunt down threats, manage vulnerabilities, and fortify your cyber defenses. Our penetration testing training teaches you to think like an attacker. Your staff will gain the knowledge to simulate cyber attacks safely, identifying weak points on your infrastructure before they can be exploited. We are partnered with industry giants like Cisco, Palo Alto, Microsoft, and many more. This means you get exclusive vendor-specific training and discounts on equipment when it's time to fortify your defenses. Why choose us? Because we offer customizable, scalable, and cost-effective solutions tailored to your organization's needs. But that's not all. As a proud underrepresented Native American, Latino, and LGBTQI-owned business, we put diversity and inclusivity at the forefront. Our commitment to diversity enriches our perspectives, strengthening our services and relationships with our clients and community. We are certified as a service-disabled veteran-owned small business, a California small business, and a disadvantaged business enterprise, or DBE. Our aim is to bring a range of perspectives to the table, offering you a holistic approach to cybersecurity. So, are you ready to stay ahead of the threat curve? Reach out to us today and let's build your organization's cybersecurity resilience together.